Was only women to be stoned to death for adultery in the Bible? People often argue that only women had to be stoned to death for adultery in the Bible, and they base their reasoning on the fact that the religious leaders brought out only the woman who was caught in the act of adultery before Jesus. But God is not a respecter of people. Acts 10 verse 34. And God is fair and just, as in Psalm 25 verse 8. Both the adulterer and the adulteress was commanded by God to be put to death for adultery under the law of Moses. In Leviticus 20 verse 10, both the adulterer and the adulteress are to be put to death. It is interesting to note that only women was brought before Jesus. This exposes the motives of the religious leaders. They were not interested in justice, but in trapping and accusing Jesus, so they might have discredited his authority. Regardless, the religious leaders were convicted of their own sinfulness when Jesus asked them to cast the first stone. Jesus exercises grace in his treatment of the women without violating the law.